Hi friends, good evening. I'm Dr. Ashish Gupta and I'm a consultant in fetal medicine. So today we are going to talk about something very sort of a rare thing to talk about, right? Okay. So if you see that this is our hand, okay. So we have got these four digits and a thumb, right? So this is the radial ray. So start from the thumb and then we move on. So probably we do have two bones like radius and then the ulna, right? So we do have four digits in the hand and then a thumb. And this thumb has got two phalanges. इसमें दो phalanges होते हैं. And then this is called as a radial ray. राइट सो इट स्टार्ट फ्रॉम प्रॉक्सिमल आगे से लेकर पीछे तक जाता है सो वी व्हाट वी कैन हैव इज एन इनवेरिएबल और वेरिएबल सॉर्ट ऑफ एन डेफिशिएंसी ऑफ दिस थंब एंड द रेडियल रे मीनिंग देयर बाय कि वो जो अंगूठा है उसकी कुछ डेफिशिएंसी हो सकती है एसोसिएटेड विद वेरिएबल डेफिशिएंसी ऑफ द रेडियस बोन सो ये दोनों चीजें मिला के रेडियल रे डिफेक्ट होती है so radial ray defect to see it antenatally into the fetus becomes very difficult so as to comprehend what exactly that we are dealing up with right so this could be a part of the Fanconi anemia जिसके अंदर खून की कमी और बोन मैरो एप्लास्टिक एनीमिया हो सकता है दिस कुड बी पार्ट ऑफ द इफ इट इज बायलेटरल एब्सेंस ऑफ द थंब देयरफॉर इट कुड बी अ टार इन व्हिच वी आइडेंटिफाई कि बायलेटरल थंब्स और रेडियल रे एब्सेंट होती है could be part if it is associated with the cardiac abnormality could be Holt-Oram and all those stuff and could be a chromosomal breakage syndrome and so on so forth right तो पहले तो इस केस को देख लेते हैं then probably we'll talk about all these things तो अगर आप ध्यान से देखें तो ये कैरेक्टर आपको याद है ये बाहुबली का एक कैरेक्टर है तो ये रेडियल रे डिफेक्ट ही है राइट नाउ लुक वेरी क्लोजली एंड देन वी सी दैट दिस इज द लेफ्ट हैंड so we hardly could see the left thumb. So thumb is absent. Instead of five fingers, we are able to see only four. Thumb is absent. Invariably left is a club hand, and then there is a restriction and contracture at the left elbow also. Right? So ये चार ही उंगलियां दिखाई देती हैं अंगूठा नहीं दिखता है इसमें and there is a deficiency of the radius bone. So thumb is absent, variable and proximal variable deficiency of the radius bone is there. It is a club hand and the ये so if you can since it is contracted so वो उसी एक plane में नहीं आएगा. So you have to be slightly attentive in making out. So this is it. Okay. So ये भल्लाल देव है ये. Right. So this is the radial ray defect. Right. दोबारा से आएगा ध्यान से देखिएगा. And this is it. Thumb is absent, and we are identifying that there is some proximal deficiency of the radial bone in the left hand. We are having a club hand, and the contracture is in the left elbow. So most likely it falls into a criteria of a radial ray defect involving the left hand, as a matter of fact. Okay, so the differential diagnosis could be from an Fanconi anemias, and this could be autosomal recessive. There are a lot of eight sort of complementation groups and all those stuff so we probably Fanconi anemia, we can have thrombocytopenia, we can have leukopenias, we can have aplastic anemia, variable degrees, and all those stuff. And if associated, if all these findings are being associated with some cardiac abnormality, could be in Holt-Oram, which could be autosomal dominant. तो मदर में भी ASD हो सकती है mother of the baby which is carrying this pregnancy and therefore if she is having an ASD asymptomatic undiagnosed and therefore we can have this Holt-Oram types and we can have if it is a bilateral absence of the thumb and then the radial ray deficiency then this could be a TAR thrombocytopenia absent radius syndrome this could be part of the lot of chromosomal breakage syndromes Nager syndrome is one of the commonest one and vectral also vectral में usually spine की defect होती है vectral limb deficiencies and all this stuff but exclusively we don't see these radial ray defects exclusively being a part of the vector or a vectral because the spine defect इसमें कुछ ज़्यादा common होती है so for all practical purposes we are not dealing with something very sort of a benign thing so this is the sinister and some sort of so a lot of investigations to be done even though we need to identify the chromosomal breakage syndrome वो भी बहुत मुश्किल होता है because amniotic fluid करके और karyotype करके है ना we need to take the amniotic fluid do the karyotype for chromosomal breakage syndrome तो वो भी बहुत difficult होता है for to do a prenatal diagnosis and those so सात आठ तरीके से chromosomal breakage syndromes भी होती हैं right in which we identify that the chromosomes they break out on their own spontaneous breakage is there right so that is what it is but ये fetal भल्लाल देव है right thank you very much for your patient listening